Installing Windows XP from USB pen drive. I want to install Windows XP on my desktop computer, only XP, but my CD drive is not working. I've only found installation tutorials on how to install it on the pen drive rather than from the pen drive. How can I install Windows XP from a USB flash drive?
The easiest way. windowsflash starts a wizard that will help pull over the contents of a Windows installation CD or DVD and prepare the USB drive to become a bootable replacement for the optical drive. windowsflash is freeware and portable.
It is very easy also using Yumi, which, although is intended for Linux, also works for other OSs including Windows and NBSP, XP. If you want to keep the data on the USB pen drive, don't check the Format E:/drive, Erase Content checkbox. If you happen to not have the ISO image of the CD, you can create one. If you don't know how, you can create it using Kubernetes. And this is how you do that: copy data disk.
Rufus is also an excellent tool. It can be especially useful for cases where you need to create USB installation media from bootable ISOs, Windows, Linux, UEFI, etc. You need to work on a system that doesn't have an OS installed. You need to flash a BIOS or other firmware from DOS. You want to run a low-level utility.
We actually did just this recently for an Acer nettop. I found windowsflash and other USB booting to be extremely slow, unreliable, and ran into numerous problems. As soon as we ordered a $30 external USB DVD drive, it was installed in seconds. It's entirely possible to do this via USB, but if future instances are a concern, the drive is a worthy investment.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.